I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting the frame and lens, lay a soft cloth, and organize screws in a tray so nothing gets lost. Once done, loosen hinge and nose pad fasteners a quarter turn so pressure relieves around the rim. You warm the photochromic coating briefly with a hair dryer at low to soften adhesive. This prevents cracking when you pry. Make sure to keep heat moving and 30-40 cm distance for 10-20 seconds so you don't warp plastic or delaminate coatings. You now focus on freeing the lens from the frame. Insert a plastic spudger at the softened edge near a hinge and apply gentle, steady pressure while you work clockwise. Once one quadrant pops free, pause and check for remaining adhesive. Add a few seconds of heat if needed to ease separation. You repeat this method quadrant by quadrant, supporting the frame so it doesn't flex. Make sure to avoid metal edges touching the photochromic surface because scratches permanently damage the coating. You finish by removing adhesive residue with 70% isopropyl on a microfiber cloth, wiping gently in one direction so you don't smear particles across the coating. Once clean, inspect the photochromic layer. If you see haze, pits, or scratches, replace the lens rather than reusing it because performance will suffer. When reassembling, seat the lens evenly and tighten screws incrementally to distribute pressure. If the lens binds or pops, stop and repeat heating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.